What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia once again. We're working on our trusty GSXR here once more. Now today we're going to be replacing the rear brake pedal. Why? Because when I bought it, it was broke. So yeah, we've been riding it without a rear brake. Sketchy. Don't want to really do that. So you guys can see, I got one of my new hoodies on. These run about 45 bucks if you want one. They come in sizes from small to XXL, and I can go bigger than XXL. If you just let me know, it'll be a special order. We'll get one done for you. Don't worry about it. Also, obviously, under this, I have the same T-shirt. Same thing. These ones are 20 bucks and $21.50 for the black. You can get them on now with every purchase of one of a shirt from Auto Mafia or a hoodie. You are entered to win a prize. The prize will be listed on our giveaway Facebook page at all times. Currently, it is a set of 15x10 race stars. As of, I don't remember what day is today, but the end of October. So currently we're giving away 2 race stars that are 15x10s. I got them over there on the other side of the garage, but that's what we're going to be giving away for this setup. Next time it could be an intake and maybe a supercharger after that. Who knows? We're going to work up to the point where we're selling enough shirts that we can actually give away a car that we build here on the show. So stay tuned, buy shirts. Not only do you get entered for a chance to win for every shirt that you purchase, and it's randomly selected, but you get to support us, obviously, and you get an awesome shirt to support us. So without further ado, rear brake pedal on the GSXR. Let's do it. Boom. So guys, I'm kind of going to screw around with this to figure out how it really comes off. I think I got to take this pedal assembly off, and then I can get to the back, which I think has a bolt. So we're just going to flip it around and see if that's actually how it works. Which it is, so it's a big one. Oh man, all sorts of stuff on the back of there. So we're going to have to try and get that off next. It's going to be a little interesting. Got some springs we can unhook though. That way. Maybe a screwdriver. That one's going to be pretty tight. So, yeah. So it looks like one big bolt for that one. So I'm going to try and find the right piece, and we'll see if we can pop that off. So that's held on. I'm also going to take off that the brake reservoir, not reservoir, what do you call it? The master cylinder for the rear brake. That'll make it easier. Ah, wrong size. That's not cool. Well, that's okay. We'll get the right piece and get in there. That one's a little bigger. Okay. There you go. That piece just fell off. So I'm probably just going to stick it in the vise, get something to pull that one off, and we'll pull the spring off. So you can see right there where it broke. Also, we obviously need to get a pair of pliers, get that pin out of there, and then loosen that up so we can slide it off. Let's pull this off first. So this thing is just on ridiculously tight. Kind of blowing my mind how tight it's on, actually. No way it needs to be on that tight. But it's finally loosening up. Get some PB blaster in there. But holy crap, man. That was on stupid tight. So that's the part we're removing. I'm going to set that there, and I'm just going to put the new one on just like that. So let me go grab it. So our old one comes off. New one goes on. Sweet. And this cinches back down onto here. Okay, it does have a nipple. There we go, so it can lock into place. Yeah, holy crap, man. That sucker is in there tight. I don't know what the deal is. Squirt some PB Blaster in there before we even start, huh? Keep it going in easy. Okay, that's on there. Still some pretty easy activation of that pedal. Sweet! Alrighty, so right now I'm just going to try and loosen this bolt that's on the back of this. Nut, not bolt. Get it backed off enough so we can get here. Well, that's interesting. That one's not moving, so I guess we'll have to go this way. And separate the two of them. I know you guys are probably thinking, oh, you didn't need to do that. Well, tell you what, it's going to be a whole lot easier to get that cotter pin out of my workbench. That's why I'm doing that. Stick the nut back on. We don't lose it. So this piece, I got to pull that little pin out to slide it over the new piece. So that piece is going to go in there now. Just like so. I guess it's this way, but whatever. Just like so. I don't know how it broke anymore, but yeah, whatever. It's going to be like that. So, go pull this out. Alrighty, so basically bend these around, got them straight, pulling it out. So it looks like I got washer on the outside, and just that on the inside. Alright, that's not too bad. So, washer and a pin. Throw that out there like that. Put the pin back through. Sorry if you guys can see that. Just stuck the pin back through it. So bend those pins back around each way, so nothing is screwing with this. Taking chickens, man. There we go. So, got that back on. This piece attaches. Oh, shut up, chicken. Oh, I shouldn't have put that on you, should I, guys? Nope. Why didn't you guys tell me that I shouldn't have done that, huh? I needed to put it on here and twist it up first. So now I gotta pull that whole thing off, and that was not cool. Because I'm gonna twist this whole thing. I can twist the whole thing. It's stupid, I don't really want to do it, but I can. It'll give me more leverage. Okay, maybe not. That's going to be annoying. How easily can I get this pin back out? Not very. Okay. We're going to work with the annoyance. So for future reference, put the pin on first. So I want there to be plenty of room for range and motion in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this out here, set it, and then pull it against it. So it's tight. So now, I can set this one in here. Other way, we'll twist it out. I think it's definitely number 4. There we go. Looks like I have different options. Mine went right there. First thing I'm going to do is reset these top ones. We're just little. Oh. We're different sizes. Okay, so now we're going to put our spring back on. So we have our big one right here. I don't really know what my easiest way to do this is. Probably a screwdriver and going down. What we're going to try is that. Hey, it worked. Cool. So, another spring. This bad boy. Just going to go in there like that. That's, all that is our brake light. Come on. Get on there. Brake light on there, and then we're going to hook it back up. Oh, I really forgot something. It's okay. We'll do that part later. We'll just redo it in a second. I know I forgot the cover, huh guys? It's okay. I'm gonna mount these bad boys on first. We'll have to bleed our brakes and check them out. They look pretty rough. But yeah, we forgot to do that one, so we're going to redo it real quick. Because we forgot to put that cool little dealio on, which, whatever, I mean, just put it on that way, huh? They look like I'm an idiot and put it on backwards. But yeah, no, so whatever, it gives the bike a little more flair. Flair's kind of for homos, though. Always hand start these. Now I'm just going to cross thread. We'll get this one on though. So there we are. New brake pedal. And basically I'm gonna go ride now. Don't run away. So basically I'm gonna go ride now and see if we got rear brakes. Sweet. Ah. Fail, gotta jump my bike. This looks like the bike needs a jump. Really, the bike needs to be put on a trickle charger. I've never put this battery on a trickle charger before, so it doesn't get ridden hardly ever, especially since the brakes weren't working. So that's part of it, but I'm gonna give it a minute. Then we'll crank up here though. We'll let it charge for a little while and we'll try it again, but usually start it right up, so it's been sitting for a minute. I guess we can see if our brakes work now. Yep, it'll lock it up. So I'm gonna go take it for a ride, get some gas in it. It's a nice day out, so thanks for watching. Remember, keep those tires smoking, the flashing lights behind you, and peg that speedo. If you want to buy a shirt, they're on the website, automafiaracing.com. Later.